ready guys? And action.
Leading edge technology and access to power everywhere allows this space to be really hardworking all day long.
Ready. Whoa.
Speaking of privacy, let me show you how the acoustics work.
Oh, you kept messing up a million times.
No,
Keep
sorry.
redoing it.
Let me show you a little bit on how that works. That's bad. Don't just skip that. This is Speaking of privacy, let me show you how good the acoustics are.
I need backup on a workstation. Backup on a workstation.
Now let's meet Jay in our technology group. Jay, can you tell us a little bit about the technology? Can I have a seat? I blame you for that.
What's cool about it is the mobile stand and battery pack that make it portable. We can put it anywhere within our location.
Okay, cut.
All right, let's
Make
cut.
a mistake, don't make a face.